My sister was coming in town, so I wanted the room to feel more like a guest room and less like an office, so I removed as much desk clutter as I could. Second, I set up the queen bed and added 4 pillows, 2 flat ones and 2 large fluffy ones. In case my sister and her husband got cold, I left a thicker blanket at the foot of the bed. Next, I unrolled a 5x7 rug. I grabbed an extra side table from the living room and placed a lamp on it as a nightstand. If you have an empty wall, try to provide seating. I found this blue ottoman at Aldi for $8, and it's the perfect size for someone to put their luggage bag on or somewhere where they can sit to put their shoes on. Now this is the most important part in my opinion, room darkening or blackout curtains. I bought room darkening curtain rods that curve on the edge so that you can pull the curtain completely over and not leave any gaps where sunlight can come through. I love how these curtain rods allow the curtains to sit on the edge of the windows, making them appear bigger. Most importantly, they create a darker, cozy room for guests so that they can sleep in and hopefully get a good night's rest.